Baby, you know we've known each other for a really long time. You become my best friend and someone that I can turn to for anything. You are an amazing mother and you always make me smile.
Wake up to you every morning, sleep next to you every night, and even when you're not near me, you're by my side all the time.
Hey,
My biggest decision to never
will you marry
let
me?
you go.
Yes.
To make you mine all the time,
I hate you. I love you.
and it feels like
You're a sun to my moon and the stars to my sky. And although we're not perfect and we still bicker and argue, there's no one else in the world that I would argue and bicker with for the rest of my life than you. I love you so much.
You were made just for me, and it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for